morning, students. This is Rahul Sharma, and today's topic is network topology. What is network topology? A computer network is a collection of two or more computers which are connected together to share information and resources. Network topology, in general words, we can say it is the layout of computer network. Type of network topology. Computer network is based on two categories. It is based on geographical area and based on architecture. Geographical area includes LAN, MAN and WAN. On the other hand, when we are discussing about architecture, it is bus topology, star topology, ring topology, tree topology, mesh topology and hybrid topology. Bus topology. A bus topology consists of single cable called bus. In the bus topology, all the systems are connected in a single line. Network without inverting connectivity devices. Advantages of bus topology. In this network, it is suitable for small network. It is quite less expensive, easy to join new system in the network. Disadvantage of bus topology. Management cost can be high. If the cable falls, whole network will destroyed. The strength and length of network is quite low in this network. Star topology. A star network is designed with each node connected to a central hub or server. All the computers are connected to a single and central station. Advantages. It's a good option for modern network, low cost, easy to manage, and most popular topology used in wide variety of network. Disadvantage of star topology. In this network, if hub fails, whole network will automatically be failed. It requires more cable than bus topology. Cost of installation is quite high in this network. Ring topology. A ring network is one of the most common network where there is no need of central server. All the system connected in a continuous loop. There is no need of any server. It is quite easy to manage, suitable for local or short distance network. It handles high volume of network traffic. It is expensive, require more cable and network equipment at the initial stage. Not used as widely as bus topology. Tree topology. It has a root node and all other nodes are connected to it, forming a hierarchy. It is also called hierarchical topology. It is having one station and other are substations. Advantage of tree topology. Extension of bus and star topology. We can say it include bus and it is easy to maintain and manage. Expansion of node is more easy than any other topology. Disadvantage of tree topology: heavily cabled. It is quite costly. If more nodes, if you want to add more nodes to your network, it requires quite high expensive maintenance, and it is also quite difficult if you want to add more node to your network. If central hub fails, whole network will automatically be failed. Mesh topology. Mesh topology is also known as point-to-point or peer-to-peer topology. That means each node is directly connected to the other one. Every node has its own physical channel to the every devices. Advantage of mesh topology: each connection can carry its own data load, or fault in this network can be diagnosed easily. It provides high security and privacy. Disadvantage: installation and configuration is too difficult. Cost of cable is quite high in this network. It requires bulk wiring to install mesh topology. Hybrid topology. Hybrid topology: it is the mixture of two or more topology. Therefore, it is called hybrid topology. For example, we have quoted star and bus topology in this example. Advantages of hybrid topology: it is quite reliable and easily it is quite reliable, and we can find error easily. It is quite effective, or it used to increase the size of network. It is quite flexible because we can add any other topology with the hybrid technology. Disadvantage of hybrid topology: the design of hybrid topology is quite difficult, and it is also quite costly to install or maintain.